a nice view of Andros here, the capital of the island. And where I'm staying is that little stretch of beach. It's called Nimoporio. It's actually more closer to there. It's kind of a little town barely connected to the capital, and it's about a 5-10 minute walk to the center there. So going to go to the beach there, and that's where my Airbnb is. And so another 25 minutes of this going down this slate path. Pretty grippy stuff, so you got to watch your step. It can catch on your shoes and trip you up. So just going to walk down the road here, show you the beach and the little sort of village that we're in. And one thing about the island is there's no drinking water in the houses. The last place in Gavrio, everything was actually salt water. The shower, the sink, all that. Here it's not salt water, but I was advised not to drink it by my host. So every day I have to go down to this little mini mart, which is really like minimally supplied. But they do have water, so. Because otherwise the nearest supermarket is a 10-minute walk into Andros there. So this one's a little closer. So here's the beach. There's the mini mart. There's a Taverna. I might go there tonight. It's a real nice local Taverna. This isn't like a really like touristed out zone. And that's the coffee shop, the local coffee shop, which I was told was really good too. So anyway, that's Nimoporio. Andros in the back. And now I just have to find a little bit of a sort of less windy spot to go swim. As you can see, it's a really big beach. Oh, they got like a small little sailboats going today.
Oh yeah? Welcome inside. Welcome. Wait till she has.
What is it?
She's like, do you want to come and look what we have today?
Ah, okay. Ah, yes. Smells good. Smells like wine. Meatball?
Well, this is a pasta with beef inside.
Okay.
This is a stuffed cabbage.
Stuffed cabbage?
Yes, with the rice and
Okay.
with the lemon and that sauce.
What is the meat?
Beef.
Beef.
Yes. This is the meatballs with tomato sauce. This is the pork with potato. This is a beef, roast beef.
Okay. All right.
This is chicken with lemon sauce. And this is a local omelette. Omelette from Andros, Italia.
Omelette.
Sauce, it's local cheese, potato and eggs.
Okay.
This is a beef and tomato sauce.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is a chicken, roast chicken.
Okay.
With sauce. Yes.
Does the beef
Yes.
sauce that comes with like rice
Well, yes, of course.
or potato or?
What, you want potato or rice?
Oh, I have a choice.
Rice rice?
Potato, yeah.
Potato?
What? I want this one.
This is a beef
Yeah.
potato.
Yeah, okay. That's perfect. Got some tzatziki, the classic Greek salad, local beer, some bread for the tzatziki, a sea view with Andros there, and we got some main dishes coming out that are super Greek traditional. Looking good. Alright. Have to fight over the olive there.
It's garlicky.
Tzatziki. Nice and fresh. It's got a nice pepper bite to it too. Black pepper or some kind of spice at the end. Alright, I've got a portion of the classic Greek salad here, which is cucumber, red onion, tomato, feta with seasoning on it. But one of the big difference makers is these little guys here, the capers. If you've had a caper back in the States, it was probably from a jar, and it kind of sucked probably. But these guys, it's a whole different ball game. Just grab a little of that. They add so much flavor to that one little thing, adds so much to it. And that is good. It's soaked in local olive oil. Green pepper there too. Oh yeah. So if you can, in Greece, try to find a Greek salad with these guys here, these capers. Oh yeah. Perfectly balanced. That's good, the Andros, the local beer here. And the main course has arrived. The tomato beef stew with some roasted potatoes. I've never had this in Greece, so looking forward to it. Oh, it's tender. Got a little beef on there with some tomato sauce and potato. Oh yeah. Oh wow. So that's slow cooked beef. It's just super tender and saturated in flavor. Oh boy. Good choice. Alright, so this is beef and some other stuff rolled in cabbage and some kind of sauce. So, I guess I'm gonna try a bite of it and see what we got. Ooh, look at that. It doesn't really look like beef, does it?
Beef and rice.
Oh, there's rice in there. Alright. Oh, it kind of smells a little, huh?
It's unusual flavor.
Yeah, it is unusual. And there you go. Classic Greek Taverna food. Home cooked, local, and super good. And some complimentary fruit. Sometimes you do get raki, but not this time. Raki's like a little local liquor. Mosquito. But we have some at home. Watermelon and honeydew. Yeah, sauce. Okay, back at the place here. Going to wash all that down with some raki, which is a Greek alcohol. This one here is distilled on the island. They have their own distillery for raki and ouzo, which is another Greek liquor. And this is all over Greece, on everywhere you go, all the islands, everywhere you're gonna find this. This one here is actually one of the smoothest ones I've ever had. So a bottle like this is €5 in the store. You'll probably get, well, it's 200 milliliters, so 40% alcohol. Stini Yamas. Cheers. Oh yeah. Perfect for after dinner. And that's gonna do it for this video. Much more coming from Andros and Greece. See you in the next one.